All right, this is Jonathan from Andromeda District coming to you just to talk to you about how our green walls have revolutionized construction and design. It's the future of sustainability. We invite biodiversity and natural spaces into our lives by using green living walls. But I want to talk to you not of that work that we have been doing for the last almost 10 years, but it's what we're doing right now, okay? So people can actually grow their own herbs, their own food through our green walls. And we can grow rosemary, cilantro, we can grow albahaca, we can grow basil, we can grow so many different things. Essentially, the sky is the limit. So when you think about a green wall, we don't want you to just think about the aesthetic portion of it. Of course, it improves, the air, it improves the quality of a space, but also all the potential that it has to, grow your own food. A lot of people, especially that have suffered, cancer or have survived illnesses, they have become more of advocates to grow your own food. Our green walls invite you to take a look at that and help you grow it vertically. You don't have to have a whole lot of land to grow your own fruits and vegetables and herbs. You can do it on a door or on the outside of where you have a lot of sun. You can simply use our panel system and our irrigation, and we can give you also the rosemary, the mint, let us connect with you about what your needs are when it comes to growing your own food, and we can help you do that and accomplish that. So I just want to extend an invitation to all of you interested in creating a sustainable world and a more holistic planet to grow your own food, and invite you to take a look at our green wall system to do that, all right? Thank you so much, and we'll see you here at our showroom.